Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm gonna tell you and show you how to create a Scrunchie. It isn't hard, so I'm sure you'll be able to do it. Please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Ready? Let's go! First of all, you will need velvet fabric. Speaking about me, I took this velvet short. I have found it in a thrift store. I got my short like that to get a fabric piece, a stripe. And now I sew two long sides of the stripe together. Tube. Once you've done, take a piece of elastic and thread it through the tube of the fabric. I use a pin to make it easy. And here I realized that I forgot to turn out my fabric. So much better. Doing it again. Good. And I sew the ends of my future scrunchie. And attention, your elastic must have less length than the fabric. Great! So, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See ya! Bye!